In this section, we will be going to replace employee ID with the unique identifier problem. So this is an easy problem, and it's the start of the joins problem now. We are starting into joins, left join, right join, inner and outer, and so on. So we are given an employee table with a column name and the type. Column name has ID of type int, name of type varchar or variable character. ID is the primary key column with the unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID and the name of the employee in a company. So ID is the ID of the employee and name is the name in the company. And another table is given employee UNI. Column name type ID is integer, unique ID integer, and ID and unique ID is the primary key combination of the columns with the unique values for this table. So this is a composite key is the primary key. Each row of this table contains the ID and the corresponding unique ID of an employee in a company. So this is the ID of an employee and this is a unique ID corresponding to that employee in the company. So we are given write a solution to show unique ID of each user. So we need to have each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result of the table in any order. The resulting format is as follows. So here we are shown employee table is ID name, and then employee unique table is ID unique name, and the output is unique ID name, and then those which doesn't have it are shown as null, and then those who have it are shown as unique number. We need to get the unique ID of each user. So that means all the users are in the employee table. We need to a left join with the employee table and replace unique ID in place of the ID. Here the explanation says Alice and Bob do not have the unique ID. We will show null instead. The unique ID of Amir is 2, the unique ID of Winston is 3, the unique ID of Jonathan is 1. The null part would be taken care of by the left join itself. So it is select. And then we want to select something. First, we want to have it from the employee from employees because the table is employees, and let's say we want to give it a name as T1, and we want to do left join, and the left join should be on the employee uni detail as T2, and we can return the table in any order, and then we have the on statement on T1 dot ID should be equals to T2 dot IT. Now we want to select T2 dot unique ID over here because that's what the output says, and T1 dot name. Let's go ahead and run this. And sure enough, our solution was accepted. Let's go and submit. Yep, we got our solution beats 85.50%. And then if we see other solution, we also see the similar solution as ours with the left join. Every other solution seems to be similar, and this one is done with the right join, keeping the employee uni left. So you can also switch the tables and use a right join. Most of the solution seems similar. So in the next section, we'll be looking at another problem, and the problem would be product sales analysis 1.